Hi everyone! Welcome to Cocktails for Beginners. Today we're going to be making mojitos. So first things first, let's get out everything you're going to need to make the mojitos. First you're going to need some Bacardi rum. This recipe calls for white rum. Then you'll need some fresh mint leaves, which I've got here. You're also going to need a muddler to muddle everything together. Some agave syrup. You can use simple syrup, but I just prefer to use agave. A tumbler to shake everything together. Of course, a glass. You'll need half of a lime. You'll need a shot glass, and I like this one because it has all the measurements on it, so I can measure everything out. And then you'll also need some club soda. All right, now that we've got everything together, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I measured everything out already just to make things go a little bit quicker. I added 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice into the muddler. I also measured out 1.5 ounces of the white rum into our glass. And then I measured out 1/2 ounce of the agave syrup. So now what we're gonna do is I'm going to add the mint leaves, the agave syrup, and the rum all into this muddler and muddle it all together. Okay, now that we've muddled all of the mint leaves, lime, juice, agave, and rum together, we're gonna pour it into our tumbler, like so. Next, we'll be adding some ice. And then we are going to shake it all up so that it all mixes together and is nice and cold. Okay, now that this is all shaken up, we're gonna pour it into our glass. Some people prefer to strain it, but I prefer to leave the mint leaves in there. I feel like it gives it a little bit more flavor when you're going to drink it. Now the next thing we're gonna do is top it off with some club soda. And then last but not least, I cut some garnishes here, and we're gonna garnish it with a lime. And that is how we make a mojito. Thank you guys so much for watching.